What is up, T.O.Gs? So you might be wondering, why is that one guy coming to you a la Dr. Emmett Brown wearing this thing on my head?
Doc?
Well, there's a good reason. I was just gonna jump right into my video, but before I did that, I wanted to talk to you guys face to face, or face to screen. You get what I'm saying. I wanted to talk to you guys directly because I wanted to thank you. Last month, I posted 3 videos that raked in almost 85,000 views. And that was huge. It was huge for the channel, and what that meant was a little bit more money coming in. So what I did was I got that money and I'm putting it right back into the channel. I always said if I make more money on the channel, it's just gonna go right back in because that means upgrades for the channel, it means higher quality, it means more variety. All of these things are good for the channel and good for you. So I just wanted to say thank you, face to screen, face to face, before we got started. But without further ado, let's check out what we got. Okay, so you've seen the title of the video, so you kind of already knew what was coming. But either way, I wanted to say thank you because all of this here was made possible because of you. So thanks for watching, guys, and let's just jump right into this unboxing of the GoPro Fusion and some accessories. Less important, so let's get right in. All right, so first of all, before we start unboxing and finding out what's in this box, the GoPro Fusion comes with so much stuff, and on top of that, right now it's on sale for $250. I know that there's another Fusion coming, but because this is kind of just an introduction to 360 for me, if you watch the channel, you know that we had the Samsung Gear 360 that just didn't work out. The app for the Gear 360 just wasn't enough for me, and all of the content that I recorded on that camera just never came out right. So we're giving this a try. Thanks to you, and I'm just gonna show you that this is a really good package deal. And right now, you got the battery and charger and an extra battery. So now I'll have 3 batteries for this camera, and all of this was for the same price, $250. So anyway, if you're looking to try out 360 cameras and a really good quality one, this is the time to do it because there's a new Fusion, I think, on the way, and then the Insta360, the 1X, which is the big challenger to the Fusion, or all these are in the same boat, but you get the picture. Let's find out what's in the box. So obviously you've got the camera. If we were to compare this to the Hero 5 Black and the Hero 7 Black, which are the cameras that I use on the channel already, I know that it's about the same depth, and I know that it's about the same width, and the camera I think is like a third higher. So it is a large camera as far as volume goes, but you know what? Again, like I said, this is a foray into a new territory for me. So I'm down for trying, and I love GoPro. I love their apps. And again, it's what I'm already used to. I've already got all the mounts for GoPro, so this just made sense. So again, we got manuals and such, and then we'll get further into the box. You've got a nice carrying case here. I've always been impressed with GoPro's cases. And then you've got a couple of mounts. You got a somewhat rounded one, and then this one's flat. You've got a USB charging cable, and then an extra battery. So again, 3 batteries here. You've got this, obviously this is for the mounts. And then you have the Fusion grip. And again, all of these things, especially the Fusion grip, I know come at a price. This is extendable, and it's also a tripod. So not only does it have an extension so that it can get some length, as far as, you know, when you're filming, you want the camera to be away from you to capture more. And then it's a tripod as well. Yeah. So tripod and then extension. That is a really good extra for this GoPro. So we've got all this stuff over here: carrying case, mounts, and then mounting screw, USB cable, and battery. All of that comes in this package all by itself. So for $250, and I think right now regularly it's $300, you get a lot of stuff besides the camera. And I think the Fusion grip by itself, I want to say if you buy it as an accessory, is like $60 or something like that. This is an extra battery. I'm guessing that it's just the battery, so not a big surprise there. And then another extra battery. Now I wasn't aware that this was going to come with an extra battery as well as the dual charger, but it does. So I've got a charger to charge 2 batteries at once. It comes with one, the camera comes with one, and then I got the extra one. All of this was included as a bundle right now on Best Buy. Again, this is Friday the 13th. I don't know how it'll be by the time this video gets posted, which I'm gonna try to do as soon as possible. But this is an amazing deal because this by itself, these 2 batteries and the charger are $100. I got the camera that comes with all of this for $250, but all of this came together for $250.
And if you act now, I'll throw in absolutely free my all-new multi-frequency remote control.
So, this is all we've got. This is the unboxing. I'm going to do just a little bit of a video montage to show you guys just scratching the surface of what this camera can do, because this is all new to me. I've watched a ton of videos on reviews and just what the camera can do, and we're just gonna take a little bit of time to show you what it can do before we close this video out. But before we do that, I just wanted to say again, thank you to all of you who subscribe, who watch my videos, who hit that like button, because without you, none of this would be possible. So huge thanks to all of you. You run this channel and you keep this channel going. So let's get right to that montage. So if you watched my Ask Me Anything video, we went down these rocks right here to this little tunnel, which in the winter when it rains, this whole thing is full. This whole area right here is full of water. I mean, it's like up to here if it rains a lot. I don't know if there's any homeless people down here, so we're just gonna go check it out. But what I wanted to do was test the camera in low light. So we're gonna go in there. And I know last time we were down here, we heard bats, so we're gonna try and be quiet. I don't know if I wanna go all the way down there. We'll just walk in a little bit. And I mean, all of this garbage, if you can see it in here, is like the stroller. I'm sure it was just like washed in here from when the water comes through. So I don't see anything hanging from the ceiling, but I'm not gonna take a chance and get bit by that. I'm ill prepared for that. But there you go. It's pretty low light down there, and we'll get that test done. And we'll also be testing the stabilization of the camera here as I'm wobbling around all crazy like. Okay, now we're back up here into the sun, so we'll also get an idea of how the light, how the camera adjusts the light and how quickly it does. So some good tests.